Okay,
you guys, so the tea has been boiling
This is
for
the
a good
final
10 minutes or
product. This is
so.
what it looking
So
like.
I'm about to turn it off.
It's nice and hot.
And I will show
can
you
drink
the
it
finished
hot,
product.
cold.
I'm gonna strain it.
You want to drink a nice
and then I'm
hot
gonna
cup of this
get ready to
mixture
drink
first.
it.
Just
Alright,
take
so
it
I will
out,
show you
grab
what it
nice.
looks like when
Then you
it's
can
finished.
add some ice, drink it cold throughout the day. Drink
Okay,
it
you
as
guys,
much
so
as
the
you
tea has
can.
been boiling
I'm going to
for a good
light
10
it.
minutes or so. So I'm about to turn it off.
Yes, yeah.
And I will show you
Try
the
it.
finished
It's
product.
good
I'm
for
gonna
you.
strain
Love
it.
you. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Well, I made me a turmeric drink last week, and I want to come and show you how I made the turmeric drink. This is called ginger. This is ginger, fresh ginger, right? And this is what turmeric look like. This is fresh turmeric. Fresh turmeric, guys. Yes. This is the color. It's a nice, beautiful orange, and then ginger. Let me get me some fresh garlic. I'm missing the garlic, guys. 1 second. Okay, so yeah, my hands are clean, y'all. These are garlics. They're already peeled. They are fresh garlic. So I also included garlic in my turmeric drink. Okay, you know, garlic also has many benefits. So my next video, I'm going to explain the item and each benefit that they carry, okay? So today I'm gonna do the recipe and show you how I make it. I'm not gonna be using all of this, but I just wanted you to see what they look like. I'm going to take a knife and I'm gonna cut, you know, a small piece and show you how I do it. So let me grab a small pot. Yeah, drinks my pot. Is this yellow? Because I do this often. This is a drink that I have to have, y'all. I'm gonna get the grater. I'm gonna show you what grater I use to grate this. So I use this, right? I use this to grate in the pot. So let me go ahead and I'm just gonna use 2 pieces of turmeric. I'm gonna put these back in here because I bought them by the Chinese market. Yes, yeah. So I grabbed me 2 pieces. I'm gonna wash these as well, and I'm gonna scrape the skins off, right? Do you have to? We will look into it, because sometimes I don't scrape. I wash it really good and I grate with the skin, y'all. You know, sometimes skin also have a lot of benefits in there. It depends on the item. So I grab a knife. So I'm gonna cut a piece of ginger. So I'm just gonna use a small piece because, you know, ginger is very strong. Some might say it's like a spicy taste. So you have to be careful with this too, because all of these things, everything I'm using is very strong. That's the reason I'm using it fresh, because it helps. I need it to be strong. There's tea bags in all of these, but I don't need a tea bag right now. I need a fresh one. But if you can't access the fresh items, of course you can use the tea bags, okay guys? So I'm gonna wash this. This one I'm not gonna use. Also grab a piece of paper towel. I'm gonna cut the edges. Cut off the edges. And you just do a little cleaning up, you know, you just do a little scraping, scrape off the outside, you know. You can do a little trimming here and there. Clean it up so you know you have a nice healthy drink, clean drink, you know. Take off the unnecessary skin, you know. And guys, this turmeric, this can stain your fingers, so I recommend using a gloves. I don't need a gloves. I'm a tough girl. I'm an island girl. I could take the stain. You understand? But if you're not accustomed to this, I would recommend you using a glove, because it does stain. Turmeric, it will turn your hands yellow. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna go through the healthy benefits in another video, so look forward to that. Okay guys, you want to follow this page. Also, my link is in the bio. I'm gonna post it also on YouTube. Understand? You're gonna do the same thing for the ginger. You know, clean it up a little bit, you know. Yes, so you want to follow, you want to like the page, you want to, you know, click the notification to know when I'm going live. You don't want to miss any video, you guys. The next one, I'm gonna let me rinse off the skins, right? Right. So these are what it look like now. I just do a little rough cleaning. The next one, the next video, I'm gonna tell you guys, like, I'm gonna do some little research, and I'm going to tell you like the benefits of drinking this particular tea, ginger, turmeric, and garlic together. Okay, so this, I have my little pot. This is the fresh ginger, a little grater. You also can just cut it up if you have a blender. Cut it up, throw it in a blender, you know, and blend it up with a little water. Put it in a pot, boil it, add a little honey, drink. Yes, y'all, there's many ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and grate this. Just grate it really good. Yes, y'all. And let it go. Yes, you just take I call it hushy. I'm an island girl, so I say hushy. You take the hushies off, right? Oh, that's a good benefit. So this is what it looks like when you grate the ginger. It comes like in little minced pieces. You're gonna grate your turmeric as well. There's many ways you can make the drink, but I prefer this way. You get all the ingredients, y'all. Everything, very strong and nice. When you grate it, you get everything in one pot. And same for the garlic, y'all. The fresh garlic, you're going to grate the garlic as well in the mixture. You don't want to use too much garlic, y'all. Because you know garlic also can lower your blood pressure too low, so you don't want to use too much garlic, okay? You can use like 2 or 3 pegs. Depends on how much drink you want to make. Okay? Yes, y'all. I'm going to just take my knife. You do it how you would like to do it, but this is how I do it. I get every piece, y'all. You don't want to you don't want to miss no piece. Get every piece from off of this grater. All right, I'm gonna add these in the sink. Yes, y'all. So this is the remainder. Just got it to clean in. All right. There we go. Wash my hands. Okay, now this is what it's looking like. Okay, everything is well grated. So now I'm just going to add some water to this mixture. Add some water. You have to be responsible for how much you want to make, okay? And you can measure with a cup how much you want. Yes. But for this, I made a lot because I grated 2 turmeric and a chunk of ginger. So this is gonna be really, really nice. So I'm going to add this now on the stove to boil. So I added my mixture on the stove to boil, and I will show you a little video of what it looks like when it's boiling and the finished product. All right, so you let it boil for a couple minutes, let it boil really nice, mix the ingredients together, make it mix, yes, and it's going to be very strong and tasty. You can sugar it with a little honey if you like, or you could just drink it like that. All right, guys, so thank you guys for watching. I'm going to post a little picture of the finished product in my cup. Yes. So thank you guys, and I love y'all so much, and I will be back with more. I will be back with more. Okay, stay tuned for the next video of the benefits of ginger and turmeric and garlic. Yes, let's stay healthy. All right. Mwah. Okay, you guys, so the tea has been boiling for a good 10 minutes or so. So I'm about to turn it off, and I will show you the finished product. I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna get ready to drink it. All right, so I will show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, everyone, so the tea has boiled. This is the final product. This is what it's looking like. Yes, nice and hot. You can drink it hot, cold, but you want to drink a nice hot cup of this mixture first, just so it can, go down nice. Then you can add some ice, drink it cold throughout the day. Drink it as much as you can. I'm going to do my taste. Yes, y'all. Try it. It's good for you. Love you.